When it comes to Ghana, I don't think you can ever get to the point where you can show too much luxury. You guys know my love for the country and how deep it runs. And a lot of subscribers, a lot of the comments are saying, can I please show some more luxurious properties inside Ghana, but focus on Accra. As you know, the main international airport is there, and people are saying that as soon as the borders open, we want to see where we can stay. We want to see some luxury. We want to just come and explore Africa. So that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So if you guys are new, please take 2 seconds out of your day and smash that subscribe button so you can join the family and we can grow together, get better together, and improve little every single day to achieve our goals. And let's get into the video. So first things first, you guys can see that the price per night is $1,326. So if you are paying for that price, you are going to want absolute luxury and absolute perfection. And if that's what you're looking for, this is the exact place. So let's just quickly go over a few things. Obviously, it's 3 bedrooms, 3 beds, and 3.5 baths. It says 3 guests there, but I would presume that you could go 6 and even more, and I'll show you why. So it says you have the entire home. You have a hot tub, which is absolutely amazing, and also there's a free cancellation policy anytime up to 24 hours. But that's not even the best part yet. You can see it says luxurious, airport view, presidential apartment. The sleeping arrangements, the first bedroom is a double bed, the second bedroom is a double bed, the third bedroom is a double bed, and then you still have your common space where you can have 1 sofa bed and you also have 1 couch. So if you add that all up, you can probably fit about 8 or 9 people in here. Some of the amenities, obviously it has a gym, indoor fireplace, Wi-Fi, pool, TV, hot tub, heating, free parking on premises, kitchen, laptop friendly space, and then it just goes on and on and on. You can see lots of available dates. Due to Corona, I think a lot of people cannot travel, that's why. And before I show you where it is, you can see it says identity verified. So this is extremely important, especially if you're feeling a little bit uneasy. Going through a site, paying a lot of money, you can see the identity is verified and you'll not get scammed out of it. Now they will only provide you the exact location after you book, but you can see the roundabout gist of the areas. You got Spintex right over here, you got Accra Mall right over there, you got the international airport right there. So if you zoom out, the location of it is absolutely prime location, and that's also one of the reasons why it is so expensive. But let's jump into the photos because this is gonna wow you, because it really wowed me. So the first you can see, it's a massive room. It looks like it's almost granite flooring throughout the place. And on the beds, it's like Mrs., which is really nice, like his and hers type side. They have this nice downlighting, floor to ceiling windows. I'm such a huge fan of it. It lets in so much natural light and it really just brings the whole place to light. You got a nice cool artwork type thing there, a nice plant. Plants are always good, give some greenery in the room, and then an unusual light. I like this place also because it's very quirky with everything they've done and they're not afraid to try something different. The next photo, you can see again, you got this amazing view just looking out over the Accra area. You have floor to ceiling outdoor windows again, and this is awesome. If there's a storm, you can just close the windows. You can still make sure you can get outside. They've got seating arrangements. They've got like these plants and cactuses all over there, some really nice sculptures which just give it a really nice feel. And then like I said, you can open and close as you please, and nice outdoor lighting, and it looks like there's aircon and ventilation outside to also make the area cool. Then when you take a dive inside, like you guys know me, I'm such a huge fan of bathrooms. I'm a huge nerd when it comes to how they put everything up, how they've organized it, and this one is right up there with the best I've seen. The thing that amazed me the most is about the top half of it. I don't know if it's tin or copper or some type of stainless steel, but it gives it this really unusual vibe with the lights hitting it at all different angles, and it doesn't look like a flat surface, which I absolutely love. Then moving on to the bathtub. Normally if you get one of those baths, it's just symmetrical and bang, there it is. This one is a different color on the outside than it is on the inside, and the shape of it is so unusual. And then it obviously gets fed water through the middle of the bath, in the center, which is a lovely touch. This basin is also really out there. You can see the stand coming up from the side, and then it comes over. It's solid, it looks absolutely amazing, and then you have your mirror and your shower on the side. If we jump into the next one, I love the rooms that actually do this. If I had a room, this is how I would want to design it, is how you have this divide, what separates your bathroom from your main bedroom. Over here you can see they've tried a different look, an edgy look, where it has almost like a frame around the whole bed, which is connected to the backboard, which is actually divided, like I said, between the bathroom and the main room. Lots of nice colors. It's nice and white. They've got books on the side with the clock, and then some flowers just really make it pop. Down lighting everywhere, floor to ceiling, windows again, and looks like double blinded curtains, so you won't have to worry about any of the brightness coming through in the mornings. And another amazing aircon, what it looks like to be something extremely high tech. I've never seen one like that, so your money is going to good use. If we look at the next photo, it is the kitchen. The kitchen is so modern. You can see all the different use of colors and shapes and artifacts. It's absolutely amazing. It has like one level here, goes into another level, looks like a stove on top there. You have looks like a coffee bar there, and then your ovens, and it is amazing. The table looks like hard wood that has been polished. The seats are so unusual, some more granite on the floor. They have some really cool like fixtures, lighting fixtures coming from, along with the down lighting. Now this is another look at it. You can see your entrance door here, and the thing I love the most is how stunning is this artwork over here of this lady. It just pops, it brings the whole room together. And then in this corner here, you can see another artwork, and to me, I presume that is a man. I can't really see, half the face is cut off, but I think it's a man and a lady to balance it out. And then really out there, interesting couches. They have a beautiful rug, and then I love the copper/gold brushed finish. I think it looks absolutely stunning there. Another one of those high-tech, expensive aircons, what I can only imagine. A beautiful mirror as you walk in. And I love it's just very open, very flowing, and the space really works well. Then this is another bedroom. It's also beautiful. They have a nice backdrop on the wall there. A nice bed. I love it how it's just plain, and then they have the colors that complement it. They have a nice flower in the corner, and then a really nice mirror that just draws the room together. And then if you look at the last photo is awesome, because this is now the other side to what we're looking into the kitchen. You can see this is, I don't know if the TV is in here or if it turns into a TV, because you can see it almost looks like a mirror, but it's flush into the wall. So I presume it's just push a button, whoop, and your TV just appears, which is awesome. And then you can see some more floor to ceiling windows, goes out onto the balcony, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous apartment. Like I said, all the details for this are in the description, and it's a lot of money, but if you're going there with a whole bunch of friends, family, this looks like an absolutely stunning place to stay. If you guys are still watching at this point, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the support, all the positive feedback, all the reinforcements, and I cannot wait for more videos to come. So let me know in the comment section below what all of you want to see, what you want to see more of, what you want to see explored, and I'll try and do that for you. So thank you guys all so much for the support, and I'll see you in the next video. But remember, if you're not part of the family, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals while spreading Africa and while spreading Ghana to the world.